What's up guys, it's Drac, and this video is going to be a little unusual. This is a thank you video and an unboxing to a company called Viktos. Now Viktos is a new company providing both casual and like actually practical and casual. They're making tactical gear that looks good at a fair price. Like, that's not an ad. They did send me these things. They did bring me out to SHOT Show, and I really appreciate that. I had no way to get out to SHOT Show. I go to Toy Fair every year as press, but SHOT Show is a closed event. Just like Toy Fair, you must be in the industry. It's an industry-only event, and that's to prevent a lot of nonsense going on because it's strictly business. Now that means it's really tough to break into, at least your first time. And this company took a chance on me, brought me out. I did some light media work for them, and we are talking about doing other things together because honestly, I just really like these products. I'm not being paid to say that yet, but they are just some of the most comfortable, almost casual looking tactical clothes that I've ever seen. So like, I am really excited to get these out of the package because these in theory should fit me. What's all this? This looks like, it's like packing paper, but it looks like newspaper. It might be funny to read that. So that's just cardboard. Everything else is, oh no. All right, so they make combat boots that look like regular shoes. We'll get to that in a second. So it says, designed and developed by U.S. veterans in Portland, Oregon, which is awesome. Like, I know some of those veterans who helped design this gear. I get to meet a lot of cool people at SHOT Show. So this says, what is this stuff? It's all in Spanish. I can read Spanish. My God. In a window with 4, oh no, I don't read Spanish that well, I suppose. I don't know what all this is. I wish I could read it. I'll fool with it later, see if there are mysteries that I can unfold. So let's get right into the good stuff. So I think that this is the jacket. I'm really excited for the jacket. T-shirts, the t-shirts are pretty cool. In fact, costume change. All right, so this is the Four Eyes t-shirt. It's tactical, man. Like, it's really neat. So this is something that I'm particularly excited about because I wear blue jeans all the time as is, and my blue jeans are not conducive to certain lifestyle choices that I make, and these are literally designed with that stuff in mind. So without explaining that too terribly much at this point in the video, these are called the gunfighter jeans, and they're essentially tactical blue jeans. I know that sounds ridiculous, but like, that is what these are. So these ones should fit me, which means that they're really tall and really thin, and that is perfect. So let's get this label off real quick, and everything's like double, triple stitched. There's a lot of breathable fabric down in that area. I don't know, I'm really excited to get into these and take them to a war. They obviously have some pretty sneaky, pretty awesome pockets hiding in them. This is gonna be cool. And I saw them on a mannequin, and I'm really hoping that they're comfortable enough to wear for like a few days at a time, because like, that would be awesome. So those are the jeans. I do have one other t-shirt in here, and let's go ahead. Take a look at this. So this has a really cool name. It's the Serious jacket, I guess. And it's like an outer shell, not necessarily designed to keep you super duper warm, but it's crazy weatherproof. And then the inside has a lot of cool stuff going on too. More super secret tactical pockets. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is awesome. And then the boots are really cool because they have a lot of features that make them look kind of like sneakers, but they have all of the properties of combat boots, including really good ankle support. They've got this great like quick zip on, zip off closure system going on, and they've got a wider toe so that they stay comfy longer, whereas like my old combat boots, are much differently shaped. Like I'm looking forward to wearing these for at least like a week or so and taking them to an SE&C war and like really breaking them in and seeing how I like them. Like they seem very nice, and the people that have been wearing them that I've talked to say that they're like some of the nicest combat boots they've ever worn, which is saying a lot. Combat boots aren't normally designed with like features and comfort and everything in mind. They're designed to be cheap and last a long time. So it'll be nice to wear some really high-end ones for once. So there's one more thing that's pretty cool, and I'll show you what it is. Woo! These gloves. So these are the short shot gloves, and I mean, these are just really cool looking, very comfortable, very functional gloves. And I will talk about all of this outside after I've had time to change into all of it. That's gonna be cool. Okay, so to adequately talk about this clothing, the best thing to do is wear it. So we're gonna time lapse through an entire week of wear. Let's go. So, after wearing these for about a week now, I am super comfortable in all of these clothes. My favorites by far and above have to be the gunfighter jeans, but I'll explain that in a second. So this is the serious jacket, and it's both serious and it's spelled funny, but it's clever. It's a very clever play on words. So I wore this to SE&C 39, which as you guys know was a rain war, and it was awesome. I've never ever understood like expensive rain shells until I wore this one, because the water kind of would beat up and wick off like a brand new windshield on an automobile. It was super cool. Like halfway through the war, I had to take it off because I was getting hot, and like one of the Nerf moms stole it temporarily because it's that good. In addition to that, it's got more tactical storage than you'd ever know what to do with. So this isn't even a firearms magazine. This is a full 50 caliber Nerf magazine, and it holds that very nicely inside this pocket, and it also holds an entire hammer shot, which is ridiculous. Like this is so much larger than any CCW would ever be. So like as far as like how it performs tactically, it does a great job. As far as how it performs weather-wise, it's awesome. It looks good. It wicks not only water on the outside, but also heat on the inside. It's got some very sneaky bandolier options here, where if you're zipped up, you can pull a bandolier out through here for like an SBR, or if you just wanted a bandolier for like carry underneath. Like it does just a really good job. Everything about this was super well designed. This is actually a dual stage zipper, so you can open here and stay tight down at your cinch line. So that goes up there, and this comes up like that. It's very clever. All of these zippers are 100% waterproof. They're like also just marvelously clever. The ones for the pockets and for the side vents. These are really neat. And then they've each got these things at the top that prevent water from getting on the zipper pull tab. I know that most zippers are made by the YYZ company, to the degree that I thought that they had a monopoly on it. These are not those zippers. So whatever they are, I assume they're of a better, higher quality. The gloves are what I'll talk about next. First, I gotta kind of like sneak out of the jacket here, and the gloves look pretty great. Everything fits so well that it's actually kind of tight to get out. I could have taken off the gloves first, but it all works very nicely together as a system and super durable, so I don't mind throwing it anyway. So these are the short shot gloves, and these are awesome. They've got built-in plating and armor. They're made of a combination of different materials, but the coolest thing is that they're super soft, in addition to being like very tactical on the outside. They're not only like functional, but they also have an individual little patch here for Velcro lettering, and they call it the More alphabet, and they sell additional letters. So you can put anything that you wanted on there, but they cut off at the right point. They look good on your knuckles. Like they're really cool, and they're completely touchscreen capable, which is relevant for a lot of things, but for me just going about my day-to-day, it's very nice to not have to take off my gloves either at the range or while I'm driving if I do need to do something on a device. So that is pretty cool in and of itself, and then they come off very comfortably as well. So these are super nice. Interestingly enough, there's not too much to say about the t-shirt. It is just a t-shirt, but they're really comfortable, and like everything on all of this, they're double stitched, so I assume it'll last for a while. Not only is this double stitched, this is, and the collar is as well. So that's a pretty nice feature. Like I said, the jeans are my absolute favorite. The jeans come with more pockets than you could possibly know what to do with. So not only do they have like a built-in Cordua belt kind of into the jeans themselves. So I'm wearing a belt with mine, but you don't have to wear a belt with yours. I just like wearing belts because I'm a really skinny dude. They've got reinforced knees, which is super nice just for going about your daily business, but they've also got these great pockets that hold not only like actual magazines, but they're so good at holding magazines that they also hold Nerf magazines. And those are like crazy sneaky, not actually your back pockets. Like that's back pocket, and then this is the sneaky magazine / CCW pocket, and it is awesome. I think that those are really, really cool. You could use them for anything, and then the front pockets are completely and totally awesome. They hold all of my regular effects, my wallet, my keys, and my phone very easily. Other than that, they're just ultra comfortable jeans. There's some really cool like stretch material in the crotch area that I'm not going to go over in this video specifically, but it'll probably be an Instagram post later. Needless to say, it breathes and is really comfortable. And then the boots are a second favorite. Like the boots, I'm on like wet moss right now. The boots are awesome. The boots are a combination of boots and sneakers. They've got a wide toe. They're easy to get on and easy to get off. They've got incredible grip. Like they're just really good, either everyday shoes, workshop shoes, or obviously they're excellent like everyday combat boots. They are, they don't even really look like combat boots. That's the craziest thing. Like in black, they just look like sneakers. They could easily be like skateboard shoes if you wanted to, but they're great. And I just wanted to make this video talking about the clothes, but also thanking Viktos. Like this is a really weird thing for me, and it's gonna sound kind of cheesy, but in all of my years of life, I've never had an outfit that was like designed to go together, because it's never been important to me or available to me. And so like having an outfit that's designed from top to bottom to go together, like actually just really feels good. As weird as that sounds, like it's a complete tactical outfit that you can wear to either Nerf Wars or to range days. I don't know, it's super duper cool, feeling like you're well put together because all of your clothes match inherently. So that is really, really cool. Huge thank you to Viktos. Thank you to you guys for watching. If you need gear for your everyday gunfight, check out the website below. Like, this is seriously awesome stuff that didn't exist 4 months ago. So it's a brand new tactical company, and I love everything that they've sent me to wear so far. So it is what it is. Thank you guys very much for watching. As always, much love. Nerf on. Drac out.